Are you having trouble focusing or with concentration, or just feel like your brain's not working right? You may have heard in the past that once your brain cells are damaged, there's no way to get them back. But I'd like to tell you there's been lots of exciting new research in the last decade to show that nerve cells and brain cells can heal. They can repair, they can regenerate. I wanted to talk to you today about ways that you can improve your brain function. Number one, you guessed it, physical activity. Making sure you're getting out every day and moving. I love getting out in nature, going for a hike, going for a walk with a friend, taking the stairs, doing some cleaning, anything to get your body moving. Research shows that it can increase the production of what we call BDNF, which is brain-derived neurotrophic factor, helps increase the production of brain cells. And there's so many benefits to physical activity. It can improve your mood with production of dopamine and serotonin, so it improves that relaxation as well. So just get out there and move in whatever way you can. Another good way to improve your brain function is to reduce the toxins that you're taking in through your food. So basically trying to eat fresh foods and less processed foods that may contain coloring and sugars, high fructose corn syrup, and other additives that could be taxing on your body and also affect your mood and your brain function. Another great way to improve your brain function is through relaxation. Living in this world, as you know, can be stressful and lead us to produce a lot of what we call cortisol, which is a stress hormone. And this cortisol can affect our focus, concentration, and brain function. So it's important to find ways to try to reduce the cortisol, and this can be done through relaxation. And that's different for everybody. Some people like to go fishing. I love going out for walks in nature, spending time with friends, breathing, just slow, deep breathing, taking a sauna or a hot bath, anything that allows you to get into that relaxed state. I don't know if you've ever heard this, but people who meditate have larger brains, better moods, and improved cognitive function. So let that be a motivator to start meditating. Whatever it is you do, just find ways to relax throughout the day. And that'll help reduce cortisol, and in turn, it'll help your focus, concentration, and your brain function. And wish you a wonderful day. Bye!